Hey guys, what's up? It's Noah here, and this is an old YouTube channel of mine, and I haven't really posted anything in a really long time, other than that little PewDiePie logo sandblasted in my leg. You should definitely check that video out. It was pretty intense. Anyway, so I've got a couple friends kind of getting into YouTube, and I kind of thought it'd be a good time to get into it as well. I've been thinking about it for a long time, but I needed a camera and a computer, so I went out and bought me a new computer. Not like the best, but just to get started. Anyway, so I've kind of had ambitions for this YouTube channel for a long time since I've gotten into real estate and stuff, and I really thought that that'd be a cool thing to vlog as I go through the journey of investing in real estate and other things as well. I do construction and I build cool projects, and I think it'd be cool to carry you guys through that process as well as I build custom porches and different things that I do, or in life in general. The main focus of this channel, like I said, is going to be real estate and construction, stuff like that, because that's what I do full time right now. And so basically I wanted to talk, I just wanted to talk about my real estate for a second because, and I don't know if this is the video for that. Well, maybe I'll make another video later on getting into the real estate side of things and kind of explaining a little bit more. This is mostly just like a, hey guys, I'm alive and I'm gonna be posting some videos, and I'm gonna take it seriously because I just spent like, not a ton of money, like $700 on a computer and GoPro and stuff just to be able to carry you through my adventures. So, if I don't post any videos, I'm just wasting money, but I'm pretty good at that. So, basically, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me. My name is Noah Smith, as you can tell from the channel, and I'm 20 years old. I do construction. I run the jobs. I don't know what they call it, a manager or foreman or whatever. I do that. And on top of that, I spend pretty much as much money that I make as I can on my real estate investments. I buy houses and I fix them up and rent them out. I'm up to 6 doors right now that are currently rented, and I have a lot more properties that need fixed up. It's just a matter of time, basically. But that's what I'm doing right now, and that's kind of what I want to carry you through on this adventure, is carry you through like how to build things, how to build a simple porch, why I do things a certain way, how I got into real estate, how I got properties without any money out of my own pocket, and where I'm going, what I plan on doing, what's my life plans, my goals. This was just pretty much an introduction. Okay guys, this was pretty much just an introduction to my YouTube channel, where I plan on going with this channel in the future. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that, and you'll be one of the first people to see the beginning steps of this adventure that I plan on posting on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I plan on having some really entertaining content on here. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good night. Oh, I can't do it. It's outdated. What do you do now? You don't dab. What do you do? I'm lost. TikTok. I gotta look up TikTok. I think if I just smash my head on the microphone right here, you guys will kind of figure out what's going on. So.